Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's QGIS tutorial, I will show how to import CSV point data in QGIS and how we can visualize the different parameters of that point data. Before going to import the CSV data in the QGIS, first we need to uh, create the data in the perfect format. For whenever you are collecting the GPS or survey data, it may be that latitude longitude is you need to first you need to convert it into decimal degrees. So for some GPS devices, it automatically will provide the lat long data in the degree minute second format. So if we are getting degree minute second, you need to convert into a decimal degrees, like latitude 10.67912, longitude 78.9136. Like that, you need to convert into decimal degrees, so not in the degree minute second. So degree minute second means it should be in the it like at 10 degree 9 minutes and 1 1 3 seconds, like that it will be there the values. So this one is not directly supported into the QGIS. So that's the first rule. Then latitude longitude, it should be in the separate columns. This is a second rule. Then after that, like in third one is like you need to mention the column names like latitude longitude, not like lat long or like in other type of format. Then that CSV file should not have any merged cells, it should be in the separate columns. So these are the like basics rules of that CSV data sets. Otherwise, when you are importing this CSV data into the QGIS, it will show the errors. So make sure that QGIS only it will support for like CSV format, not Excel format. So this file I am showing this XML file. It's a like soil data file. So I have imported I have the different soil samples data. I have the like samples that samples numbers like A1 A2 like that labels. Then latitude longitude information, the decimal degrees. Then EC, pH, nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, OC, that kind of soil parameters data you may have for other type of parameters data. Then on another type, I have the soil type, such a category values also I am having in my data sets. Now we'll see it in the QGIS how we can open and how we can visualize this data set into QGIS. So please open the QGIS software. Once if you open the QGIS software, go to the layer menu, then add layer, then add delimited text layer. Then after that, there will be option called file name. Just in the file name column, there will be three dots, it will be there. Just click that three dots and browse your data sets where you have saved your CSV data sets. Now I'm having it in the desktop folder. I'm clicking the soil data. Once if I imported the soil data, automatically my point coordinates are imported here, like in it will show the sample data sets also in the format. Here you can see the geometry definition in X field, it automatically took the longitude column. Y field, it automatically took the latitude column. Suppose if you saved it in the different names, long lat means it won't directly automatically it won't detect. That time you need to manually you need to select the columns and you need to put it in the X field in the longitude, Y field into the latitude. Suppose if you put it in the opposite way, it won't show it in the correct location. Now I am clicking the add. Now we can see my soil data are imported in the QGIS. Suppose if you want to check this data are imported in the correct location, means you can add the base map into in QGIS. So for that base map, go to the web, and here you can see the quick map series plugin. So Google base maps, it will be there. ESRI base map will be there. So many types of base map will be there in this plugin. So I am just clicking here ESRI or Google terrain map. So this is a Google terrain map. It's like one college soil data here. So my soil data is showing in the perfect location only. So in QGIS doesn't have like the base map plugin in default. So if you want to install, if you want to add the base map, then you need to install the quick map services. So if you don't know how to install the quick map services plugins, means I already made one video in YouTube. I will give that video link in this under this video description. You can see that video for your reference. So once if you imported like soil data, you can give the colors also based on the pH or EC parameters. Otherwise, if you want to change the that soil data point data in, symbols in the different format also, we can change it. So for that, first you need to click for properties, go to right click and go to properties. Here you can see the markers, like simple marker. In downside you can see the different types of that is soil that pointed as simple. So if you want to send the diamond symbol means I click the diamond green. Now you can see the like all of my pointed line showing the diamond color, and colors also you can change it in here. If suppose if you want to show the labels, so I am clicking the single labels and the samples as a label names. Here you can see the labels also, you can see it here. Then not only for here, suppose if I will turn it off the labels now just for purpose. Then go to the symbology. Then in symbology there will be option called categorizer and graduated, rule based and point cluster, heat maps and point display and everything. So for point data, if you want to category, if you click for categorizer option, here you can see like you can see other types of columns. For categorizer types of visualization is useful for whenever you have the text data like soil types or like crops types, that kind of data if you are having means just to click classify, like not OC, like soil type. If click for soil type means for each soil type it will assign the one particular colors. Then if you apply for colors, you can see like it will show for in red color it will show for a saline soil, for the green color it will show the alluvial soil, for like here for red soil it's showing for another color, saline soil it will show it in the different color. So for that purpose we'll use for categorizer visualization. It's not suitable for like numerical values. For numerical values, if you want to visualize it means you need to choose for graduated visualization type. So I selected for graduate visualization types. In graduation, if you want to select for nitrogen or potassium content means I will select the nitrogen content. If I click for classify, it will show, it will categorize it into like it give the colors based on the values. For minimum value it's on the light red color. For maximum values it giving the dark red color. If you want to change the different colors in color ramp, you can change it. If you apply for this color, here you can see it like based on the wherever it has the minimum values, it shows the like it doesn't show any colors, and for in light red color. So whenever it goes to for like higher values, it given the for a dark red color. So in this way only like we can add the like point data into QGIS and we can see it in the different resolution. Suppose if you want to export this point data into save file means right click that particular data and click that export option. Then it will ask for save feature as, go to save feature as. Then in this format you can choose for like in which format you want to export this particular file. For SD save file means you can export as a save file or geo package or like other GeoJSON spatial, like I said, like a different formats it will be there. Based on your needs we can export that data and save it in our local. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.